it's a monster.
So, okay, hold on. Get back here so I can see you on video. No, get back here so I can see your face. I need you to stand right here so I can see your face, and then I'll let you watch it. Okay, so in the episode of Dora, when he goes, hick, boom, oh. Is that what he says? What does it say?
He says, heck, oh.
Yeah, but, and then what does Boots say?
He says,
what does he say? He says, maybe it's a...
monster.
Yeah, but say it like Boots. Here, stand back here and I'll show you the video after we're done. Say it like Boots, baby. Say it like the way that...
Oh.
Maybe it's a monster.
Or maybe it's a monster.
Yeah, but do it again.
Or maybe it's